Hello there, meet me again in new CNC channel. Okay, in the previous video, we have learned about how to install and configure SSH server. Now, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to install and configure the FTP server. Okay, using FTP, we can easy to move our data or document into our server in here. So we can just drag and drop without download manually using uh, download command in Linux. Now let's open our Ubuntu first. Okay, let's open terminal. Now let's log in as super user in here, and I will type my admin password or super user password. Let's clear our terminal. To install FTP server, we can use Pro FTPD as application that we use, like this, guys. Okay, you can see there we're using Pro FTPD as our application for file transfer protocol. Okay, it's done. Let's clear. Okay, I'm clear here. Okay, after installing the FTP server, now we can test it works or not using Filezilla Client in here. Let's open our Filezilla Ftp Client. Okay, now host is our IP address. Coin 1 in here, username. It's our username for login to Ubuntu Linux, and password. Then quick connect in here. Okay, let's see there. We have now we have active in our Sunnysits directory in here. Let's try to create a txt file, for example, in here. Okay, I want to create txt file, and with move in here with hi and save. And before that, I want to see in my Ubuntu first. Okay, I want to ls. You can see there nothing's txt file, and let's move in our Filezilla. Let's go to our desktop, move.txt. Let's move into our Ubuntu. Okay, all files have been successfully transferred in here. So let's ls again in here. You can see there the move.txt has been completed, move in our server. Let's get the move.txt for certain. You can see there the hi is contained in the move.txt, and I want to cancel. Using Filezilla FTP client is right, but you can also open your FTP server via web browser. For example, FTP, you can see there. Okay, got it. This is our Ubuntu server in here. Okay, to configure the FTP server, you can just go to directory slash etc, I'm sorry, etc slash proftpd, and if you ls, there is proftpd.conf. You can see there, you can change the default port, the location of home. Okay, this is for our home port and anything else in here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to install and configure FTP server using Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.